Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of our podcast, Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. My name is Carrie, and I'm so excited to have you join me today. In this episode, we're diving into something we all care about, skincare. Whether you are a skincare newbie or a seasoned pro, this episode is packed with tips that will help you get the glow you want. We're focusing on a simple yet effective 3-step process to achieve healthy, radiant skin. The 3 steps we'll cover today are cleanse, nourish, and protect. These steps are essential for anyone looking to improve their skincare routine without the overwhelm. I still remember how complicated and daunting skincare used to feel for me. There were so many products and steps that I would often end up skipping it altogether. But once I simplified my routine and focused on these 3 key steps, everything changed. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about today, how to keep it simple yet effective. So let's get started. First up is the cleansing step, one of the most important parts of any skincare routine. Cleansing helps to remove all the dirt, oils, and impurities that our skin accumulates throughout the day. But it's crucial to use gentle, natural ingredients for this process. Harsh chemicals can strip the skin of its natural oils, leaving it dry and irritated. One of my favorite ways to cleanse gently and naturally is with a chamomile cleansing water. It's incredibly simple to make and so soothing for the skin. Here's how you can do it. You'll need 1/4 cup of strong brewed chamomile tea, preferably made with distilled water, 1 teaspoon jojoba or sweet almond oil, 2 tablespoons castile soap, and a few drops of lavender or frankincense essential oil. Optional for scent and added skin benefits. Simply steep the chamomile tea bag in the distilled water until it's well infused. Cool the tea, then add the rest of the ingredients. Add everything to a small bottle and shake gently before each use. I like to reuse a soap container with a pump. The chamomile calms redness and irritation. The oil lifts impurities without drying. It's gentle, balancing, and grounding, like a little moment of peace to begin or end your day. Taking the time to care for your skin can be a mindful, meditative practice that helps you feel more connected to yourself. It's a simple act of self-care that nourishes not just your skin, but your spirit. I always find inspiration in the words of Isaiah 30:15. In returning and rest, you shall be saved. In quietness and in trust shall be your strength. This verse reminds me that there is strength in taking time for quiet, restorative practices like cleansing. Next up, let's move on to step 2, nourishing deeply. It's not just about keeping your skin hydrated, it's about feeding your skin and soul with the nutrients they crave. Our skin is our body's largest organ, and it deserves all the love and care we can give it. A great way to nourish your skin is with a hydrating rosewater serum. Here's how you can make it at home. You'll need 1 tablespoon rosewater, 1/2 of a teaspoon aloe vera gel, and 3 drops of rosehip oil. Just mix all the ingredients together in a small bottle and shake well before each use. Apply a few drops to your face after cleansing and let the magic happen. Rosewater is incredibly hydrating and helps to maintain your skin's pH balance. And of course, rosehip seed oil is packed with antioxidants and offers additional hydration. This serum is a powerhouse of goodness that your skin will thank you for. But it's not just about the physical benefits. Taking the time to massage this serum into your skin can be a meditative practice that allows you to connect with yourself on a deeper level. To add an extra layer of intention, you can say a short prayer or affirmation as you apply the serum. Something like, "May this nourishment bring me peace and serenity. May I be grounded and grateful for this moment of self-care." Feeding your skin and soul collectively ensures you are well-balanced, both inside and out. Up next, we'll discuss the final step in our simple yet effective skincare routine, protecting your skin. Stay tuned. Now let's talk about the final step in our skincare routine, protecting your skin and maintaining that beautiful glow you've worked so hard to achieve. Protection is key in skincare because it helps to shield your skin from external aggressors, like UV rays, pollution, and harsh weather conditions that can cause damage over time. By protecting your skin, you're essentially creating a barrier that helps to lock in all the nourishment and hydration you've applied in the earlier steps. One wonderful way to protect and give your skin an added glow is with a whipped fall moisturizer. Let me walk you through this easy-to-make, luxurious recipe. You will need 2 tablespoons shea butter, 1 tablespoon jojoba oil, 1 tablespoon sweet almond oil, 3 drops of frankincense essential oil, and 2 drops lavender. Start by melting the shea butter and oil together in a double boiler. Once melted, let the mixture cool slightly before adding the essential oil. Then use a hand mixer to whip the mixture until it becomes light and fluffy. Together, these ingredients create a moisturizer that is perfect for the cooler months when our skin needs a bit more TLC. Beyond just the physical protection, there's something incredibly peaceful about taking the time to care for your skin. The process itself can become a form of self-love and mindfulness, a moment to honor what's growing and protecting it. As you apply your whipped fall moisturizer, take a moment to pause and breathe deeply, allowing yourself to be present in the task at hand. When you apply it, breathe. Feel the warmth of your hands, the texture of the cream, the quiet of the moment. Whisper, "Lord, help me protect my peace and reflect your light." That's where true glow comes from, not from youth, but from peace. As we wrap up today's episode, I want to encourage all of you to consider adopting a simpler skincare routine. It not only makes your skincare more sustainable, but also more enjoyable and effective. If you're ready to go deeper, to design a simple, faith-filled routine that supports your skin, mindset, and walk with God, I'd love to walk with you. I've created a personalized journaling and self-care reflection plan where I create a plan for you to nourish your skin, spirit, and soul, designed just for you. You can find the link in the show notes. Together, we'll build practices that help you glow from the inside out. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I genuinely appreciate each and every one of you for taking the time to listen. Until next time, this is Carrie from Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy, wishing you radiant skin and a joyful heart. Take care and see you in the next episode.